how to enable the double tap to wake while on the lock screen for your Oppo Reno 5 phone. And let's go ahead and get started. So what I'm talking about is while you're in the lock screen mode here, you do 1, 2, and this is going to wake up your phone, giving you access to the lock screen area to unlock your phone. So in order to actually enable this feature here, you can use the quick panel access to take you into the main settings right there, the gear icon settings. While you are here, you can go down to where it says Convenience Tools. So tap there one time, and then you want to go to where it says Gestures and Motions. Tap on that once. You're going to go to where it says Screen Off Gestures right there. And make sure this is turned on so you can have access to these other options here. And you want to turn on the one that says double tap to wake your screen. And once this is on, this gives you the option or the ability to double tap to wake your phone. And you can also double tap to lock your phone, but only while you are in this view mode here. So 1, 2, this is going to lock your phone, 1, 2. But the option to double tap to lock your phone while on the home screen is currently unavailable for the Oppo Reno 5 phones with ColorOS 11. But if this guide helped you out in any way, do hit that like, share, sub, and thanks for watching.